How to start a family on Bigo Live. So if you want to start a family on Bigo Live, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply go and open up your Bigo Live application. Once you open up your application, you just need to simply go with the Me option, which is on the bottom right. Once you go with Me, now here you will have the family option, right? So just simply tap on the family icon, and here you can simply create a family, or you can go and join a family. So you can scroll down, and here you will have all of the families. You can simply choose any family that you would like to join. But to create a family, you can only create a family once you have reached current user level 10, have a recharging amount of $50 within the last 30 days, and have a current diamond balance in wallet of $100, and have a current wallet balance of $500. And after that, you'll be able to start your own family on your Bigo Live. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.